The next we are going to learn about the grammar of KOSO. The grammar of KOSO is the meaning of for sure, emphasizing, preceding word, or precisely, or definitely. So how to use? In Japanese, when you use the KOSO, that means you should use with the noun only. You cannot use with verb and adjective. So be careful when you use the grammar of KOSO. The grammar of KOSO, that means we used to emphasize something, or to focus something that is the main important that we want to say to another body, or you want to tell another body. So you should use the KOSO to make that what the word or what the expression that you use with the KOSO is mean. That is the point, main point you want to let another body know. So next, let's go to see some sample. The first sample. これはこそ望むところです。これこそ望むところです。これこそ望むところです。Which means, this is the very thing I want. This is the very thing I want. The next example. こちらこそありがとうございます。こちらこそありがとうございます。Which means, it is I that should be saying thank you. It is I that should be said in thank you. For the first sentence, we see that they use これこそ. これこそ is mean that you want to emphasize that that thing is really important. You want to focus that thing. これこそ望むところです. Which means you really want that thing. And for the second sentence, we see that こちらこそありがとうございます. こちらこそ which mean こちら which mean we or I, right? If you say instead of you, that mean you. こちらこそ is mean I. If I say instead of many people, of two people, we can say we, right? こちらこそ is mean you want to focus that you or we, I or we should thanks to you too, something like this. So ありがとうございます is mean thank you. So it is intended to focus that or emphasize this. We or I should say thank you for your cooperation too, something like this. The next, 今年こそ JLPT に受かりたい。今年こそ JLPT に受かりたい。Which means, this year I want to finally pass the JLPT. This year I want to finally pass the JLPT. The next example. これこそ私がずっと探していたものです。これこそ私がずっと探していたものです。Which means, I've been searching forever for this. I have been searching forever for this. For the first sentence, they use the KOSO with the kotoshi. Kotoshi is mean this year. So when you use kotoshi koso, which means that you want to focus this year, right? JLPT ni ukaritai is that you want to pass the JLPT examination this year. So you can say kotoshi koso. Last year, next year, you don't want. But this year, you want to focus this year, or in facing that this year is very important for you to pass the JLPT, right? So in Japanese, you can use KOSO in this case. And the second sentence is just like the last moment we just learned about kore koso, right? これこそ私がずっと探していたものです。which means that when you are searching something, right? You are searching something and not found, but now you found it. And you can say, this is the thing that I have been searching, right? Forever. So that means you want to tell another body that what you are searching and found now is very important for you, right? So you can say, これこそ私がずっと探してたものです。Something like this. Thank you very much for watching my video clip. And please help me subscribe my channel if you haven't. I hope to see you about learning Japanese in the next time. ありがとうございました。